Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. In the small town of Freeport, Pennsylvania, is a precision metal manufacturer with a global presence. Boyle Incorporated started out 30 years ago with a single jig grinder. Today, the company boasts 2 full-service facilities and a team of talented machinists, engineers, and technicians. What hasn't changed is a focus on making the customer their number one priority. Boyle Incorporated doesn't just produce precision metal parts. They produce precision performance. It's seen in improved customer productivity and product quality. It's also found in fast turnaround times and speedy deliveries. Boyle specializes in carbide and steel dies for the high-speed, high-volume metal stamping industry. They also offer tool and die design, engineering, and fast prototyping. If there's a tooling challenge or a need for more efficient manufacturing, the Boyle team will find a solution. Boyle's capabilities include a wide range of precision grinders, advanced EDM machinery, multi-axis machining centers, and high-speed stamping presses. Their expert die assemblers help build the most functional and efficient dies possible. Boyle's end products are hard at work in consumer goods and electronics around the world. They support customers in the aerospace, agricultural, automotive, connector, electrical, energy, medical, and many other industries. Boyle is ISO certified and a contributing member of the National Tooling and Machining Association. Find out how they can serve you by visiting their website at boyleinc.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.